Today, I'm bringing you two feature tech sets. Jiaqi's Battlefield Dominant series of building blocks. Super Laser Main Battle Tank. And Super Nuclear-Powered Aircraft Carrier. This time, let's assemble tank number 1. 3 packages, number 2. 2 packages of components, number 1, are for the part below the turret. 1 package, subtracts, number 2. Assembling the turret with 1 assembly instruction, a total of 65 parts. These are the particles with electroplating process. Let's start assembling. Install its electroplated armor plates. Install the tank wheels. The tank body part is assembled. Linked rear wheels. Independent front wheels assemble the tracks. Next, assemble the turret and the cockpit. This is the tank's armor skirt plate. The skirt on the other side. Assemble the tank's turret. The turret installs the super laser. The main battle tank is assembled. Expandable baffle. A flexibly rotating turret. And electroplated particles. What I like most is the design of this tank. It incorporates future cutting-edge technology. You can immediately feel a strong sense of technology.